Chinyambobe chungu nzima. Chinyambobe chok. This is the room here. Mancho murigereria tutagete gucha kesabali gochiase ensemo ya mwamogesa igere katikati yo mucho Kisii chinsemo jiri chanyanchuru goraria ngagereta bagusimo maeta stokuru kigeti kya barogi abwo etwanyora a court order kurwa se client yekemo mwako kurukunga Philip Abuga na watu wa Kiresimi bagotebanga togende gukava a story igoro ya omo MCA oyomo sitting MCA oyomo we county ya Kisii oyo bwangire konganya kurwa se premises chiaye echo arenteti enyomba arenteti amenyiro kuru 2019 ekoti ode yiga nigo ya rwitu tare 24 January 2023 egoteba iga this matter coming up under certificate of urgency for hearing of notice of motion dated 20th January 2023 before Honorable C.A. Aweno, and upon pursuing the foresaid application, together with the supporting affidavit thereto, it's hereby ordered, 1, that this Honorable Court be pleased to grant a breaking in orders in order for the applicant herein and or stroke his agent to break into the premises and gain entry into the premises on Darajambili Estate in Kisii Town on LR number Central Kitutu stroke Darajambili stroke 96. Number 2, that this Honorable Court be pleased to issue an order that the officer commanding Nyanjo Police Station said and or assist the applicant herein and or his authorized agents carry out the order above, dated at Kisii this 24th day of January 2023, signed Honorable C.A. Oweno in brackets as SRM, issued at Kisii Court 23rd day of January 2023. Penal Code, take notice that if you disobey this order, you shall be in contempt of court and liable to imprisonment of a period not exceeding 6 months. So, working on this order, we are proceeding to the ground. Elinde iliyotorolenga ngaki bago break into the house, and then from there ekineke okere between Philip Abuga the plaintiff versus Duke Nyarango is the defendant. According na abanyene premises about the Duke Nyarango is a sitting MCA, we don't know him, but rende tikatoka ende gochiorro turaranga abaskari banyanchu basokire, we are heading there. What is happening? Take to bata namona into ase sabari elinde elio. Okay, liru bandira ali ekoti eli monta kitakora gusomera before we proceed to the scene. There's one letter here from the court. Ntakete ngosomera that letter from the court. Sorry. Liru bandira ekoti elinde ligoteba iga. Likorwa say the people we call the Lord. Lirikirena Chelagat Koske Company Advocates. Reference number DPA 2023. URF TBA date 20th January 2023. Dio Kenyarango, PO Box 476 Kisii. Wakapeana namba yake ya simu hapo. Dear Mr. Nyarango. Reference extension of notice of termination of tenancy. We have been instructed by our client Mr. Philip Abuga to write to you in response to your letter dated 19th January 2023, which we hereby undo and state as follows. In your barua aliandiki nerubali kire tulitangani before notice ya eviction yetararwegwa nerubali kire tulitangani on 20th January 2023. Ligoteba iga that you've relentlessly declined to pay the requisite 10,000 shillings monthly rent and above since March 2021 without prior mutual agreement and or contrary what was agreed upon. Decided to offset the monthly rent arrears by paying 9,000 monthly rent. As such, our instructions are to demand from you, which we hereby do, that you pay the outstanding 1,000 shillings monthly arrears that have since March 2021 cumulated to a total of 22,000 as of the monthly rent are accumulated to a total of 22,000 as of December 2022 and 10,000 being January rent. Take notice that our client demand is that of Kenya shillings 32,000, which is duly owed to our client and which is within your knowledge. Take notice that our client demands in that 32,000 Kenya shillings, which is duly owed to our client and which is within your knowledge. Take further notice that our client declines and insistently maintains that the notice of termination of tenancy having lapsed on 8th January 2023, there is no tenancy agreement worth an extension, and our client has already moved to court to assert his right and seek redress. Kindly surrender the house keys to the premises before 31st of January 2023. Yours faithful, Nancy C. Koskei, advocates. Chelagat Koskei and the co-advocates. Let's proceed. Togenda sisi turarwa ningi keroro. Mwancho muriria tuikire ase compound yo MCA ya samenyete. This is the compound. You can look at the environment itself. Aiga no amenyira no akurwa gende mirimo. So lakini ende kore ngana na intelligence bagatabanga iganga nyite butuko, so they don't know. Again tombata koboka ne court order ya police. Ye court imepeanwa. So auctioneers no ale maiga bachina baskari. They wanted to evict him, lakini baona tuate bungo nganye. Nyomba na ere yama. Let's look at it. Nyomba nere yanga nyite butuko bagate banga no amenyire gaiga for quite some time. Ora amenyira emiake menge sana auctioneer no ere mano. These are the rooms. Okay. Engija ni ere ma. Okay. This is the kitchen. Enere kitchen monchomo rigereria. Enyomba yegere chisamo chigeti kyabarogi. Bali aba gusimo mategeti kyabarogi esikogotoka aiga somo chie okisi chinsame chamwa mogesarugura. In fact tegeti kyabarogi guru side ya ruguru no enyombe ye gutoka tete to around enyombe ye we see this is the toilet enere cho. This is the bedroom. Kai nyumba si ni chafu sana. This is the bedroom. Montoga ate bigubutu ko koranga. Tamakurwa ega. Okay. Chinechu wardrobe chinyambo be chungu nzima. Chinyambo be chok. This is the room here. Okay, a master bedroom. I think in the master bedroom, mama. This is the master bedroom. Nere master bedroom. Mwancho mulgeri. Okay, nyomba nere yiga. Omo wako manyene nyomba no ali skali. Kolengana nichi document bagutumire bagotebanga bamurikira marube several times anganye lakini taliko nganya bakaire kina koti amaruba ino nya bwata sisi mimaiga bakaire kina koti January 23rd bakaigwe order yogocha komunganyi by force, lakini rende abaskali banyanchwe bakirega no mugako yo banyorire ngokoranga muntu na motebeti na banyorire nyomba gere empty, there is nobody. Lakini rende omwako yo gusaba kwa yenkoringa muntu yarwa igorende ngururo Robert will be talking to him outside here tagetenko ira mazingira yenyombe yekengeka, and then we see how the house looks like. These are outside toilets here. So outside toilets, you can look at them. This is the compound, the VVIP. Then, so it looks like. This is how it looks like. Karanga kanye na tugete chingo komoina. Okay. That's how the house looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Ene tangia machi karanga no kanye bakubucha machi koru kinige sumu kusini yechingoko. Kini kusini yechi says I don't know. Makimari ma karanga chitwani kanye nchirichirema. Okay, this is the compound na kai. Sumu nkera agia kimataifa sana. Karanga ka ruseti America. Kera iga gutugera chingo ka iga. Moina na matokare moina. Si. Anyway, turakwana no mugako manye no muchyo yiga aratweresa ng'aki kesi gekera. No tukwanire kidogo.
Any question I can answer.
Okay. Aho mugako manye ni property nero yiga tornere ine kotoda. Mwako muchyo no yo.
No yona.
Ngoko nyamenyeta.
Ndio kunyarango MCA daraja mbili.
Current sitting MCA gose.
Current sitting MCA.
Ndiye chakete komenya muchyo.
2019.
Muchando kyo tokete bono.
Kurwelio. Tanya kongakana buye chibesa.
Elieta yonge kikoro. Na liere ndo chaiga Philip wabuga. Okay.
Tanya kongakana. Na kera rituko tukumusaba oteba ninje ngakana anyakogendera igori oka. Paka bono tukagende koti agere atwakane chibesa chitu.
Area chibesa ngabwata.
Bono igabwate 32,000.
32,000. Ene mitinyerenga.
Echibono igari gwakana umutinyo yo morika gwakana 10,000 gwakana 9. Igese echum ekaru chibara ichatigariti agwakana nketa gwakana na chichibona arrears ya gwata na chichagarete tukamotebiri tangania nganya ta hakana akanga.
Iga no amenye ta kuru orogende.
No akuruga igekera rituko.
Abono no buwa.
No mukungu no amenye ta. Na bana.
Tuacha ke twanya oranga tai yo ngayia. Kiagere koti ode ye goteba nga mugwenta kumu evict kurunyana.
Ekororekana buna abantu batebira nganyete igoro butuko. Igona naigwete nga twanyorire kodi order akanya konganya.
Are there any cases of assault maybe as a family?
Bono mulimo mawa ibwaga chaga iga kumutai chibese. Akamukurura kuruga bakepare area. Tukaire kina ari Nyanchu police station. Bono ngiachi konyora maguru kuruoro.
Okay.
The trying to reach is currently busy. Please hold.
Yako busy.
Or call back later. Safaricom is for you.
Hello.
Yes.
Tebango madam.
Yeah.
You're Jessica Kasungura.
Yes.
You are on record.
Yes.
Maybe you introduce ye nyokunya rokwa nike kusio nyenege Swahili nyenege Songo, whichever you're comfortable. Otueresa ngonga what really happened as far as this case is concerned.
Jaga mareta ngoro kunansi yanchama. Arabo manya Eldoret.
Yes.
Okorega sino mwakiri. Abotwana orete report. Urwase client kama yako ku Philip Abuga. Oyo ore landlord. Yo omuntu kuru kunyarango.
Yes.
Obere landlord ya so kabetari yake. Lakini kwa sababu bwana ile kiagere tenant yeye tuli parents. Akara avekere tuali parents chiri wikonu ari kulipa 9,000. Na anda kulipa chinga kichiri hata gete. Bona karangi landlord tetra rokina ngani yu. Karenda malidia story tukamwekele kina koti. Tuanyo orete order.
Yes.
Toka ile ode ya COCS Nyancha police station. Yare woteba mo kunyarama nyare ko bagakoso nyombe. tutara ikira kama ana ya wada kwenye juu kunyaramu usaziringa extended tenancy lakini kwa ngana kuna kwenye bai bwana ni landlord landlord tuchie tuko ma extended eratenga bwana anya arako bagawa sokibwa epoti na bayagiri etana manana ayu lakini mnamoroche igoro mwana ile te ota associates onyanchwa police station
Yes.
okoro kumista esendi okoro nabo ngana yamo ikereto yo diukunyarana kaba kunyara kumanya butuko kla yabo kabona mambi yanyora na onto itayo nabo atachibete je client geto ekitura abitoko kwati na ande through the court process korwangi client geto kenyo de chibes child
Sawa, so maybe onganyire. So what is the way forward?
onganyire erebuya lakini bono tekero muntu amete nyumba yo muntu naberekya urente nabwenda gakorwa nande onyekara asina babo tege landlord na tiru gose abera kunyara kumanya no buya bono toro tyo yobere kumanya butuko nande taru etibese utia se landlord tibese na utoko tibwati nande through the court process toro ni client getu kenyo de tibese tiae
Deni eche besere nganya tenero.
Urumo kienyo gatatu mwakoria abone to poruchiri wiko mikero mutini landlord kenyamu kinerie rent enyombe ere 2 bedroom lakini kuruerio akabara kuru kiribu 9,000
Igo tikara neribu.
igo otigara neri mikero mutini ekara tu atimenda chion mpaka umwako oyo eki aringa around 32,000 bona ntobe to komoya through the court process to recover that amount.
Okay.
And any other amount that the landlord has used in furtherance yo kumruhusia ake trinombe.
Okay, mbia mono.
Mbia mono.
Thank you.
Ande mbia mono asira kumokora.
Asante, tunashukuru. Mwancho muligereria niko topageti a few meters kurwa se nyombe yestwarenge lakini ne ntuma ete ngose ntori gukora story totarakero omonto a fair right of reply omonto kwanira iga no mo MCA tate kumwakire simi atoe a right of reply na karabwate simi sawa tabwate ti bado that is a reply because we just want to call him so that atoe the side of the story aye. Bono agote balance yago kire munere
abatingi sisi yangi sisi niche mamiti
bono gonsa ngapi ogoja
bono yake ndikiwa kora tiangi na personal ngitangi siviga
inchu bono paka ali el paraíso no tole
paraíso no mole
inchu el paraíso ali
sawa
el paraíso is a good place to ikara sto kwa network kanyiro bono
aya
okay mwancho muligereria buna twachika kugotebiriria mweshimiwa gatuchika toicha iga paka semo bagani oil paraíso aiga somo Kisii twachire twaikaransire ga iga for almost 2 hours kugamba lakini no mweshimiwa nigo anga gutokwanira ase camera so it's his right we do not force things twatama komo password ya tokwanire linde lia response to the claims raised by the family but unfortunately nigo anga gukwana on camera kusikara tumwa kiresi niga tabinga yaya tikatomerane tokwane but then it's his right we cannot force him maletana ngoro koroja sikakasungura tikatomerane chinga kichinde.